Hey, what's up guys? Brian from BS Bassin coming to you today. I'm going to do a screen protector install on my HDS7 unit here at my console. I've got one at the bow as well, but I'm just going to do the install video for you guys here on the console. And we're using a screen protector made by a company called Tuff Protect Screen Protectors right here. You can see that. I have been working with their customer service or via emails. They've been 100% honest with me. They stand behind their product. They warranty their product. I'm very happy with the customer support there. And if you hold on one second, we're going to go through the install. Alright guys, this is an over-the-shoulder view of my HDS7 unit on the console. And you could see there's some dust with some fingerprints in there already. I'm going to take a dry, small microfiber and I'm just going to wipe those off first. Then I'm going to use a lens cleaner, and after that I'll actually use the pieces that come in the kit. Alright, that's that one. This next step is a step that's not in the instructions, but this is just like a wet LCD or LED lens or glasses wipe. Sell them at most, grocery stores or at a Walgreens, anything like that. You can pretty much pick them up anywhere. You really want to make sure this is clean. It's just like a screen protector for a cell phone or any other device you have. Anything behind there is going to cause a bubble. You really want to look and make sure that nothing is behind there. Another thing, clean your fingers in case those get on anything as well. This here is what comes with the kit. It's a screen protector accessories. It's going to have a card to wipe any bubbles out. It's also going to have some sticky pieces in there that are like dust collectors. They work real well with getting anything you can't get off the screen already. This is what I was talking about, this dust absorber. We're going to look in here, see if we see any dust. I could see a couple specks. It's a smaller one that came with it as well. Anywhere you could see a speck, you really want to take that off. And another thing I'm noticing right now with this jacket I have on, it could have some dust on it. Any movement with my arms may actually cause a speck of dust to fall down onto the screen. So make sure you work in a very clean, dust-free environment when you're doing this. Now here's the screen protector I'm actually going to be putting up. This is an anti-glare screen protector. The first piece is we're going to put this up here and we're going to peel this back side off. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure the back side of that doesn't have any dust that's going to possibly get in between the screen and the screen protector when I do go up to install it. So the next thing that they have here is they have some what are called guide stickers. And I'll show you once I get them on here and actually get them to the screen. So here we go. Here it is with the guide stickers on it. And if you look right here at the bottom, what I'm going to be able to do is put this in here, position it, and let these stick. And then when I peel the back off, I won't have an issue with where the placement originally needs to be. So I'm going to put this in here. Make sure it fits and centers. There is a little bit of space on each side, not too much. It's no more than I would want. I'm going to place this down. I'm just going to roll this here. I'm going to use a card and roll that adhesive down into the corner so that my screen protector is right where I want it. Now here I'm just going to double check placement by pushing the corners in, making sure that's where I want. I like that it's not touching the corners, it's not touching the bottom, it's not touching the top. I'm going to pull this away from the screen one more time and I could see some dust got in there. This is the large dust absorber that came with the kit. I'm going to place this in here. Anywhere I see those bubbles, don't let it go down all the way. The adhesive is pretty good on this. It'd be hard to take it off. Just spreading it out. anywhere I can see a dot, just picking it up. Any dots behind there will turn into bubbles on your screen. You don't want that. You can see I was pretty cautious with the way I did everything even before I put that screen on there, and I still have some dust back there. Right now I feel I'm pretty dust free. If you at any point in this notice some dust on your screen, stop and peel, use that dust absorber, peel that off. Now again with this, I'm trying not to breathe towards the actual screen protector. I don't want any dust in the air to actually blow towards it. And these usually are fairly self-healing is what they use the terminology for. I'm going to place that on there, and it pretty much adheres to the screen itself. You can see at the top, because I have this extra peel away for the second side of the screen, it's not peeling, or it's not healing. This is pushed away, but you actually see a little dot in the center of the screen. I'm going to pull this off and use the dust collector. It's actually on the screen protector side. Try this again, make sure it gets down in the corner where we want it. Now it's starting to do that self-healing. If you see any bubbles though, remember, now is the time to peel them out, push them out. So I'm not going to let this go all the way down. I see a bubble right here in the center. Seems like it doesn't want to come out. Remember, this is the time to get the bubbles out. If you can't get the bubbles out now, you learn to live with them. They're going to be there. One of the other things I'd like to mention about this company is they actually give you 2 screen protectors. I believe the price was $15.50. They sell on eBay, they sell on Amazon, but you could also buy them directly through tuffprotect.com, I believe it is. I'll leave their link in the description below. Alright guys, I'm just going to hit down into the corners really well. Peel this up just a little bit so that I know I get it all the way off of the actual edge of the screen without peeling anything up. This is that second side. No, that's actually still the whole screen's coming up. I got to redo that. Alright. Don't peel these up. Well, all I want to do is peel these out of the place that it's actually holding it to the unit, but not the screen. The next thing we're going to have to do, we're going to use a card and hold the screen down, but peel the cover off where this number 2 is, which is just a protective cover over the top of this unit. There you go. Now if you look, it's got definitely less glare than before. Power system here. We'll turn it on. But if you guys can't tell, that is a little bit duller in color, and it's not going to show as much glare. I have a light right on top of it. I mean, you could see that the screen is lit a little bit differently. That's actually the light above it. We're going to double check. We're going to see that all these buttons actually still work. It's loading data, accept, loading charts. I do have a Lake Maps card in here. You can see the touchscreen still works perfectly. And here we go. This is going to be our maps. I believe this is traditional sonar. Haven't messed with the pages yet too much. There we go. We'll go straight chart. Pick our split screen. Alright, so I had touch lock engaged on this, so it wasn't allowing me to do things. So here, we'll go chart. And this went straight to just maps. We'll hit pages again. And we're actually going to do a split screen between sonar and side imaging. So there we go. Everything still works very well. We can put our pinpoint. When you touch here, it's going to show you the same spot there. Everything is good. I'm going to power this down. I don't want my unit to overheat.